Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to add data from ArcGIS Pro online. If you want to start in ArcGIS Pro, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Hit bell icon for new video. So let we start. For adding online ArcGIS Pro data, so first we open ArcGIS Pro software. After open, we go to view and we go to catalog pane. Go here all portal and we write here name of your place. We write here and enter search here for online data and you select here anyone. We select here this one and we drag here. Our data is added. Online data added. If you want to add data online, you select this process.